Hi guys. Hey, I got my Vaterra Suburban and I had these lights on the front of it, but I added the front marker light and then I just added the 5 cab lights and marker light on the back and tail lights. So now it's got a full set of lights and looks pretty darn cool, especially driving it. I've been wanting to do something different with it, and I like driving my crawlers at night, and thought, man, that would look cool as hell having those cab over lights. And so I went ahead and I got some on Amazon, got some lights and just made up the harness, and there we go. So yeah, I'm pretty much, I think, done with what I'm going to do with this thing. I added the wheels, got the steel wagon wheels. That's like the wagon wheel look of the truck. It had plastic wagon wheels when I bought it, when it came factory, and they were okay, but I wanted the steel ones, obviously for weight, and these look a hell of a lot better than those plastic ones. So, but yeah, I think she's pretty much ready to hit the crawling trails now. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that I got her pretty well ready to rock and roll, and she's pretty good to go, I think. Yeah, like I said, it looks kind of neat having them frickin' cab over lights on. I like that. But it is unfortunately still cold out, and I am going to call it a night and go inside where it's warm and eat pizza and watch basketball. So anyway, guys, just wanted to show you the lights, and like I said, I got the 5 lights up on top and then the tail lights. I had to do the side marker lights. I had to take paint thinner and rub those areas to get the green factory paint off. Oh, and the tail lights too, the same thing, because they were painted. But I made my own buckets out of a couple of pieces of foam, and shoe glued them in place, and then went ahead and put the lights in those. So, but anyway, guys, hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad you found it, and hope you guys are all doing good out there, and take care, guys. Thanks for watching. See ya.